So you're actually going to start by that oh, wait a second, wait. Oh, you can start there if you want. And I'll start the video here. Hey, Professor Z here again. Shannon and Jared in the background again here helping me out for showing you how to record the montage. We're outside. I said this one I want you to be doing outside. You get much more better sunlight, better lighting out there, and we have the distance that we need to do it in because there's shots. So you have that shot list. I'm going to go through all those shots out here as well. We have the panning of scenery. We have the long shot, person walking towards camera. We have person walking through the frame, close up, a tracking shot, and a worm's eye view walking away. So we want to go through those shots in this video to see how those are set up. So, the first one, panning left to right scenery. Now, first of all, always make sure you have your white balance set. So I'm set for sunlight because I'm out here in the sun. For the panning left to right scenery, I want a wide shot of that and a nice slow pan. So if I'm panning left to right scenery, it's, I'm just going to hold my camera like this and I'm panning left to right. And you notice I rotate my body with the camera. It's not just with the camera by itself. I move together so that way it's a nice, smooth shot. Stabilization is very important. Timing is important. You want that to be a smooth shot. You don't want starting and stopping as you go along. Now, we're going to have the next shot here of person far away walking towards the camera. And of course, I got to tell Jared to move over this way because he's in the shot. No, come this way, or there. Okay. So I'm holding the camera about, oops, not in the frame there. I'm going to hold the camera about mid-height here. Nice stabilization. I want her in the center of the frame. Again, remember your rule of thirds. I have her on my lower guideline, so I have more scenery on top. And Shannon, go ahead and start walking forward. Now, every shot I do, we're doing at least 10 to 20 seconds, so we have a lot of editing possibilities. All right, that's good. Now back up to the shadow right there. Stop, that's good. And now we're gonna do the left to right through the frame, so I'll move here. No, back up 2 steps. Again, I'm composing this so I have my composition. I've got the soccer field in the background. Now you might want to do a test run through to make sure she's correctly positioned. Go ahead and walk through the frame, please. Oh, back up. See, I was not composed. See, I didn't test run. I cut off your feet. Oh. Go ahead again. That's a shame. Wonderful. Pause. Back up a little bit. So now I'm going to do the track. Back up more. Keep going, keep going. So we're going to do the tracking shot where I'm walking alongside. Okay, stop, stop, stop. All right, and action. And good. Back up a little bit. See, I'm just using the same stretch of distance here. Everyone's favorite shot, the close-up. You can walk as you do it, right? Walk. See, that way it's not as awkward. Okay. The camera is going to live on the ground like this, slightly tilted up. And we start with our actress off camera. Perfect. And she's just going to walk right past or over the camera through the frame. And keep walking, keep walking. And cut. And Shannon's now running away. And those are the basic shots for the montage video. In the next video, we'll go through how to edit those together in the rhythmic montage.